Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to run XML on VS Code step by step. First, we need to install the XML language support extension. Open the extensions view by clicking the extensions icon in the activity bar on the left sidebar, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus X on Windows or Linux, or Command plus Shift plus X on Mac. The extensions marketplace will open in the main panel. Now type XML in the search box at the top of the extensions panel. You'll see a list of XML related extensions appear with XML language support by Red Hat, typically at the top. Click the install button next to XML language support by Red Hat. The button will change to installing and then show a version number when it's done. This extension gives you syntax, highlighting, validation, completion, formatting, and schema support for XML files. Next, open an existing XML file or create a new one. Go to File, then Open File to open an existing file, or File, then New File to create a new one. If you create a new file, make sure to save it with the .xml extension to activate the XML features. Once your file is open, you'll see syntax, highlighting automatically applied to your XML code. The extension automatically validates your XML syntax as you type. If there are any well-formedness errors, you'll see red squiggly underlines appear under the problematic code. Hover over them to see the error descriptions. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus M to open the Problems panel, which shows a list of all XML syntax issues in your file. To format your XML document, right-click anywhere in the file and select Format Document from the context menu, or use the keyboard shortcut Shift plus Alt plus F on Windows or Linux, or Shift plus Option plus F on Mac. Your XML will be automatically indented and structured with proper line breaks. If you want to explore more features, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P on Windows or Linux, or Command plus Shift plus P on Mac, and search for XML:"Open XML documentation." The embedded documentation will open, showing all the extension features and settings available offline. All your XML errors will show up in the Problems panel, which you can open by going to View, then Problems. The extension also gives you auto-close tags and linked editing, so when you rename a tag, both the opening and closing tags update together. You can jump between tags by holding Control and clicking on them, and that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.